Pleasant morning, children. You had learnt about how the demon and Pythias were good friends, and Pythias went to his village to complete his work. He wanted to take bless from his mother, and he completed his works and got married to his sisters and other works for him. When instead of the Pythias, demon imprisoned in the court of Dionysius, demon took the punishment for his place. Now let us continue the second session of the lesson. Now, dear children, observe the picture. Here, the demon in the court of King Dionysius. This is the court of King Dionysius. Dionysius is on the throne. Demon's hands are tied behind, soldiers on his either side. Here, King Dionysius, what the King Dionysius used the words, what he told to him. Where is your friend now, demon? He has left you here to die. I am certain that he will not return. You are a fool to be here in his place. Then, here, demon replied to that. You are mistaken. I know that Pythias will keep his promise. He will be back in time. Even if he does not come back, I will be happy to die in this place as I love him dearly. Then Pythias enters the court hall running, gasping of breath. Demon embraces Pythias and weeps. Here Pythias, I have come. Please do not kill demon. I have come back to take the punishment. Please hang me. For the demon, no, please hang me. If he were to be late, then I would have been hanged. So I am not to be punished. Both of them argued for some time. At last, King Dionysius, never in my life I have seen such friendship. Both of you have kept your promises. I am happy to know that such friendship exists. I set you both free. This is the lesson, children. Next, we'll move to the previous here. In the court of King Dionysius. King Dionysius. Court means Asthana. Dionysius, Raja Dionysius na Asthana. Dionysius is on the throne. Throne means cathedra. Throne means cathedra. Here observe the picture, children. See the picture. He is on his throne means cathedra. Cathedra Simhasana. Ata Simhasan mele kurtidane. Demon's hands are tied behind. Demon's hands is because instead of the Pythias, he was the imprisoned. So, demon's hands are tied behind. Atana kaigalanna hinde kattidare. Soldiers are in his either side. Soldiers are in his both sides. Both sides. They were look at him. Here, the King Dionysius used the words. Where is your friend now, demon? I asked the question to him. Where is your friend now, demon? He has left you here to die. He has left you. The past tense form of the leave is the left. ಅವನು ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಸಾಯೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ. I am certain. Certain means sure. I am sure that he will not return. Like that, the King Dionysius told to demon. You are a fool to be. Fool means a dunce or a goof. You are a goof. Dadda. You are a dunce. You are a fool. Fool, goof, or dunce. You are a fool or a dunce to be here in his place. In his place, instead of his punishment, why do you took the punishment for him? Just he left you here. Like that, the king Dionysius told to the demon. In the next paragraph, then demon told to reply to the king, you are mistaken. O Lord, King, you are mistaken. I know that Pythias will keep his promise. His words. How? He promises assurance or adjuration. Here, promise means adjuration or words. Vagdana. To bhashe anta kariತಾರೆ. Adjuration. He keeps his adjuration or his words. Or assurance. Already he gave the assurance to him. He will be back in time. He will be back in time. Even if he does not come back, I will be happy to die in his place as I love him dearly. Because both are very bosom friends, close friends. Both were the very bosom friends and the close friend, and they were ready to die for each other. ಒಬ್ಬರು ಸಾಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ಸಿದ್ಧರಿದ್ದರು. ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ demon replied to the king Dionysius, I will be happy, I will be glad, I will be pleasure to die in his place. ಅವನ ಸ್ಥಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನ ಪನಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬದಲಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಸಾಯಲು ಸಿದ್ಧ. ನನಗೆ ಸಂತೋಷ ಇದೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಟು ಡೈ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ಲೆಷರ್ ಟು ಡೈ ಇನ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಐ ಲವ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಡಿಯರ್ಲಿ. ಬೋತ್ ವರ್ ದಿ ಬಾಸಮ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ದೇರ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ದೆನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ Pythias enters the court hall running. When he is running, because before that he faced the lot of troubles. Then running, gasping of breath. When we are running, we take lot of breathe deeply. When we are running to take more oxygen. If you are running quickly, either run very fastly, we are gasping. ಮೇಲುಸಿರು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Gasping for breathe deeply. When we are running to take more oxygen for that, then demon embraces Pythias and weeps. The demon hugged. Embraces means hugged the Pythias and weeps. Weeps means wail or cry. Both were crying. Then Pythias, I have come. Please do not kill demon. I have come back to take the punishment. Please hang me. He requested the king for that. Demon, no, please hang me. If he were to be late, already what the king given the time to them for that a little bit of late. If he were to be late, then I would have been hanged. So I am to be punished. ನನಗೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷೆ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಆತ ತಡವಾಗಿ ಬಂದರೆ, ಆತ ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಆ ಸಮಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಾನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಪನಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನನ್ನನ್ನು ನೇಣಿಗೇರಿಸಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪದವನ್ನು ಆತ ಬಳಸ್ತಾನೆ, ಡೆಮನ್. ದೆನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯೂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಬೋತ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯೂಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, hang me instead of him. Like that both were argued. At last, King Dionysius, in the first paragraph, what we learned about the king, he was very cruel-minded king. Now, Never in my life have I seen such friendship. In my life, I never seen such type of friendship. Both of you have kept your promises. Both of you kept your adjuration, or you keep your words or assurance. Therefore, that promise means adjuration or words, ವಾಗ್ದಾನ ಅಥವಾ ಭಾಷೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Both of you kept your keep is the present tense, kept is the past tense. Kept your promises. I am happy to know, I am glad to know, I am pleasure to know that such friendship exists. That is always survive. That is on the always it is on the earth. That is exist. Your friendship exists. ಅದು ಉಳಿಬೇಕು, ಅದು ಅಸ್ತಿತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿರಬೇಕು. ಐ ಸೆಟ್ ಯು ಬೋತ್ ಫ್ರೀ. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮಿಬ್ಬರನ್ನು ಬಂಧಮುಕ್ತರನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಐ ಸೆಟ್ ಯು ಬೋತ್ ಫ್ರೀ. ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ದಿ ಇಂಪ್ರೆಷನ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಇಂಪ್ರೆಷನ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಫ್ರೀ ನೌ. ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್, in the paragraph, first paragraph, what do we learned about the king Dionysius? He was the cruel minded ruler, evil minded ruler, cruel king. But the cruel king changed it to the very good king. For that, because his friendship, how the bonding of the friendship, how the bosom of the friendship, how they free from the cruel king. This is the true friendship. Here also we observed the who are the best friends in the some our lessons either in our history. We named that Krishna and Sudama. Krishna and Sudama both were the good friends, children. We learned about them in the next class. Here some words are there about the lesson. Here Syracuse, we pronounce Syracuse, a city in an ancient Greece. In the first session already I show a picture about the Syracuse and the map of the Syracuse, children. Evil-minded, having bad or cruel thoughts, that is called evil-minded. Impossible, something that cannot be happen, that is called impossible. Possible, impossible. Possible is the possible, opposite is the impossible. Certain means sure. Fulfill, to do what is hoped for. Fulfill means to do what is hoped for. Loyalty, staying firm in friendship. Execution, putting to death. Execution means putting to death or die or will be hanged. That is called execution. The new words you should write in your homework, children. Here, thank you. Then you will be keep the friendship like them, Deman and Pithias, in your life also. Your friends, when we are give the words to your friends, should maintain it. That you should keep the friendship. Who are the best friends?